Today, we will show you how to ensure that your child's vívofit Junior band fits properly. The included band is extremely stretchy and designed to fit most kids ages 4 to 9. Stretch the band to fit over your child's hand. The band is designed to have a loose to slightly snug fit around the wrist. If the band does not fit comfortably and is too snug on your child's wrist, you can request a larger band through the vívofit Junior mobile app. To request a larger band, we'll need to gather some information via the vívofit Junior mobile app. You will need to start by downloading the app from your mobile phone's app store. Once the app is installed, go ahead and sign in or create a new Garmin Connect account. After signing into the app, you will need to choose the Add Kid option to create your child's vívofit Junior profile. Now that you've created your child's profile, follow the on-screen pairing instructions to pair the vívofit Junior to the app. Once the setup is complete, you can now request a larger band through the app. To get started, tap Menu. Tap on Bands. Now tap on Fit and Wear of the Kid band. If you determine the band is too tight after reading the on-screen text, tap on My band is too tight. Because the included band did not fit, tap The included band did not fit. Then select the kid that is having this issue. At this time, you will need to measure your child's wrist. You can order an XL band if it has been determined that the current band is too small. For additional band choices, visit Garmin.com, where you'll find a variety of vívofit Junior and vívofit 3 bands, which are all compatible with your device. Mix, match, and collect the different bands. Thanks for watching. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.